Okay? Down. Oh, this thing. It's about Tony. Oh! I just got back to down there in the rock. Let's go.
No, we're going to watch Daddy now. Watch Daddy.
He's gonna come down. To the other side, he's coming down. Let's slide this rock down. Cool. Oh, he got to the tree. Cool. I throw this rock down there.
No, you have to stay with Mommy. You have to hold Mommy's hand.
Cool.
Now let's walk this way. Let's watch Daddy.
I'll just buy it. I'll get that thing over there. Can I hit that car? Please, Mama. Please. Can I hit that car? Hey, Mama. Can I hit that car? Please? Please,
No,
please.
no, that's Daddy's car.
Oh. I don't want to break it and fall it down. Oh. Ah! He has a shoe on his truck back.
Good, it was just a twig. That's what you just slipped on.
I slipped on that? You fly down. You fly down. Cool, let's go.
Nope, you gotta stay here.
Oh, then we'll throw
Watch
this
Daddy.
rock. Cool.